In this question, they are asking us to use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now we can see that b value is 9 here, but 9 is the factors of 9 is 3. So to simplify the process, instead of 9, since 9 is divisible by 3, we can take our b value to be 3. When you take our b value to be 3, the possible remainders are 0 or 1 or 2. Now we can write using Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma is a equal to b cube plus r. Now using this, when you substitute the values, they are going to be in the form either 3q plus 0 is that just 3q, this is 1, or they will be in the form 3q plus 1 when you substitute r as 1. This is the second one, or you just put r there, or they are going to be of the form 3q plus 2. This is 3. Now they are asking to show us what will be the form of the cube of these numbers. So we are going to cube all these numbers one by one. When you cube the first number, 3q cube is going to be 3 cube is 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So we are going to have 27q cube. So it is nothing but when you pull out 9 commonly outside, not 9 commonly outside, this can be written as 9 into 3. So I am bringing 9 outside. Then we are going to have 3q cube. When you give value for q, we will get an integer. That integer we are going to take as m, as it is given in the question. So instead of this 3q cube, we can write it as 9m. Keep this as result 4. Now we are going to cube the next one. The next one is 3q plus 1, the whole cube. We are going to cube this using the formula a plus b the whole cube. So it is going to be a cube plus 3 into a squared, that is 3q squared, into your b value, plus 3 into your a value into b squared, that is 1 squared, plus b cube, that is nothing but 1 cube. Now this is going to be 27q cube plus this is 3q, the whole squared is 9q squared. 9q squared into 3 is going to be 27q squared, plus 3 into 3q is going to be 9q plus 1. Now you can see that 9 is a common multiple of all the first 3 terms. I am going to pull out that 9. Then we are going to have 9 into 3q cube plus 3q squared plus q plus 1. Now when you give some value for q here, then you will get finally an integer as the answer. That integer is represented by a variable m, as it is given in the question. Now, so the final value, this value will be replaced by m. So it is going to be equal to, this is going to be equal to 9m plus 1. We have replaced this entire answer with m, as we did here. We have replaced this entire thing by m. So we will take this result as 5. Now we are going to cube the third one. The third one is, we are having 3q plus 2 the whole cube. That is going to be a cube is 3q the whole cube plus 3 into 3q squared into your b value, that is 2, then 3 into your a value into b squared, that is 2 squared, plus b cube, that is going to be 2 cube. So 3q cube is going to be 27q cube, plus this is 9q squared. 9q squared into 3 is 27q squared. 27q squared into 2 is, we will have 54q squared, plus 2 squared is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So we are going to have 36q plus 2 cube is 8. Now we can see that all the first 3 terms, the coefficients are multiples of 9. So we are going to pull out that 9 commonly outside. Then we are going to have 9 into 3q cube plus 9 6 are 54. So we are going to have 6q squared plus 9 4s are 36. So we are going to have 4q plus 8. Now when you give some value for q, this entire thing is going to result in an integer, which we are going to consider as one value. That value is represented by m. So we are going to have 9m plus 8. Take this as result number 6. Now we have found the cube of all these 3. The results are 4, 5 and 6. Seeing the results 4, 5 and 6, we can say that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, or the second answer, that is 9m plus 1, or the third answer, that is 9m plus 8. So as per the question, we have shown that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.